Hello everyone, welcome to the third episode of this series in which I am sharing my programming journey and improving my English. So, as I have discussed in the last two episodes, I am just right now revising some of the concepts that I have already done. So, in this week, I have completed MongoDB and I have learned the basics only. I still need to focus on developing some like backends of the website. So, that's still something that I need to improve. So in MongoDB, I have learned some basic concepts like what are the controllers, views, routers, stuff like that, and how to make the code more organized by using controllers and routers. So this was everything, like my complete progress for this week. Apart from this, I am doing my college assignments, which makes me the schedule very busy, and it's very difficult to find some time for like coding. But I'm trying my best to find some time here and there. Let's hope so that I will soon start doing some projects from using both backend and front end. Thanks for watching this and subscribe the channel if you want to stay like connected with the journey. Thank you for watching this.